To display the calendar as your lock screen clock on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap Wallpaper and Style. Tap the lock screen thumbnail. Next, tap the clock. Tap Style to see customization option available. Browse through the available clock style and then select the one that displays a calendar. If needed, you can customize the clock appearance. You can tap font and color tab and change the color to match your wallpaper for better visibility. You can also select another font style that can enhance readability. If you are happy with your selection, tap Done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, your phone is now displaying calendar as the lock screen clock. As a note, choosing the calendar clock style for your lock screen offers a practical way to stay organized, allowing you to check the date and your schedule at a glance without unlocking your phone. This is especially useful for managing daily tasks, appointments, and reminders effortlessly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.